Boo. Boo boo.
No, picture. Picture me. Picture me.
You want to picture you? So take a picture of me, Mommy. Go play with the ferret. Go play with them. Go play with them. Where's the beads at? Look what I got. I got a toy. Avery. I already got tons of pictures of you. Oh, is Ferret getting tired?
Does Ferret need a snack? Ferret, give Ferret food. Ferret wants to get his food.